Don't know, you know. I'm a lady on the first day of reggae dancehall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. And Jamaica from the outside. And I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them are broke down. All of we barriers, them are broke down. We are one united Jamaican. It again, it a spice up the food.
Hello, family. Welcome to another episode. Today, we want to look at two of Jamaican staples that are very nutritious and very versatile. What are we talking about? The sweet potato and the Dasheen from Jamaica. According to the Organization of Eastern Caribbean States, globally, the demand for Dasheen has increased by approximately 12% over the past few years. Additionally, the sweet potato market is set to undergo a boost over the next 5 years from $115.74 billion in 2024 to a projected $137.46 billion by 2029. Today, we're going to be talking to a local farmer who has been making waves by exporting Dasheen and sweet potatoes to Canada and the US. We will explore his field, hear his story, and learn what it takes to bring these fresh Jamaican grown crops to tables around the world. So stick around because you don't want to miss this. Guys, these are sweet potatoes grown by local farmers. I'm in Port Antonio, Portland, and I'm here with Clinton, who is getting ready to prepare the produce for export. Let's have a talk with Clinton and see what Clinton has to say. Hi, Clinton. How are you today?
I'm not too bad.
Good. I see you have a lot of sweet potatoes and Dasheen. You're exporting these.
Sure.
Where are you exporting them to?
These are going to Canada.
And these are grown by local farmers?
Local farmers.
Okay. So tell us about the business, Clinton.
Well, this business is in about 11 year process now. And I bring food from like Manchester, sometimes St. Elizabeth too.
Okay.
Sometimes Chilani, and in the Rio Grande Valley.
Okay.
We get Dasheen from Tamswap, Dasheen from Millbank, Dasheen from Shield Forest.
Lovely.
All over.
Lovely. So you've been in operation for 11 years, and I see sweet potatoes and I see Dasheen. What else you export, Clinton?
Export banana, plantain, breadfruit, pear,
Wow.
plum, mango.
Wow. So you have a special person over there waiting to receive them?
Right.
Okay, nice. If so, you don't sell to local.
Yeah, we sell to local too.
Okay. So are you interested in advertising to local persons?
Yeah.
If they're interested in buying? Or even persons like in the US or so, if they want to reach out to you to purchase from you, would you be willing to export to them?
As long as they want the produce what we have.
Sorry, as long as?
They want the produce that we have.
Yes, you will. Okay. What's the number they can reach out to, Clinton?
And can reach out to 707-3938.
707-3938, and they ask for Clinton.
881-9734.
All right. So Clinton is saying it's not just Dasheen, but it's sweet potatoes and bananas and a host of other produce that he gets from all over the island. So if you're in the US, Canada, or anywhere in Europe, reach out to Clinton. Even if you're local and you're interested, reach out to Clinton. Clinton, is there anything you want to say to the viewers?
Not really.
Okay.
Not really.
All right, Clinton, thank you so very much for, what's the name of your, what's the name of?
Rio Grande Farm Export.
Rio Grande Farm Exports. All right, Clinton, thank you so very much.
You're welcome.
Yes, bye.